MySQL is a popular relational database used widely on the internet. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple database that you can use to store tables and data for the backend of your server. So first up, we'll open up XAMPP. I've already opened it. Now if you don't have XAMPP installed on your computer, then check out my video on how to install XAMPP, which I'll link in the description below. So after you have started up XAMPP, open up localhost phpMyAdmin and this will show up. Now you want to create a new database first, so go to SQL, type in create. I'll zoom this a little bit. So create database demo. What this will do is it's going to create a new database called demo. So click the go button and now you have a new database. Now I want to create a table inside the database. So go to SQL and type in create table persons, and inside it we'll put in a few variables. So first off, I want to use an ID variable. Here ID is the column's name, int is the data type, which is integer, not null means that there has to be a value present inside the ID, and auto increment means that the ID will increment by 1 every time a row is inserted inside the table. Next, we'll add a first name. Here first name is the column's name, varchar is the data type, and not null means that the first name always has to be present. Next we'll create a last name. I also want an email. Here unique means that there will only be one email available for each row. So click the go button and there you have it. You just made a table inside your database. Now I want to insert some data inside the table. So we'll go back to SQL and here we'll type in insert into persons, first name, last name and email. Type in values and we'll just put in some random data inside the database. Now click the go button and there you have it. You'll see all the data in the new table. Now I want to read the data, so go back to SQL and type in select star from persons. What this will do is it will show all the data from the persons table. Click go and there you have it. Next I want to use the where statement. So go back to SQL, select star from persons where first name equals Peter. What this will do is it will only select the row with the first name Peter. So after I hit go, it will show only the row that has the first name Peter in it. Now let's use the order by statement. So let's type in select star from persons order by first name. What this does is it shows the entire table in ascending order. So Peter comes first, then Peter 1, then Peter 2. Now let's check the update statement. So if I type in update persons set email equals peter31@email.com where ID equals 1, this will change the email of the person that has the ID 1. As you can see, this email has changed. Next, I want to use the delete statement. Type in delete from persons where first name equals Peter. So this will delete the row that has the first name Peter in it. Click go and click OK. And now the row with the first name Peter has been deleted. Now that you have a basic understanding of SQL, you can start creating databases on your own.